We'll guide you through how to download and install Skyblock in Minecraft. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, go and close off Minecraft. Then what you need to do is go and open up a web browser. So I'll just go and use Google Chrome and come to a search engine. And what you want to do is go and type in Skyblock Minecraft Maps, like so. Minecraft Maps is a website we can go and get it from. Before we get any further, a big shout out to my go-to Minecraft server host, Apex Hosting, and a big thanks to them for sponsoring this video. If we scroll down, we can go and see some of their awesome features, like things like one-click install mod packs, DDoS protection, 24/7 servers and support, so you can get help anytime you need it, instant setup and much more. There'll be a link down below in the pinned comment and the description, and at the moment you can get 25% off your first invoice. If you can get it from other websites, just make sure it's a trusted site. And here it is at the top here, Skyblock. So click here. You can then scroll down and we can go and see some more info about it. Just be aware there's going to be ads and some of them may say download, but just make sure you click the actual download button when you're ready, because otherwise you may be downloading something else other than Skyblock. There's some useful information here as well, which you can go over. And then when you're ready to go and start the download, go and click on download map, just like so. You'll then be taken to this download page, and what you want to do is come over to the right of the picture and go and click on download, and it will then go and begin, and you'll go and get this zip folder. Here we are in our downloads, and here is the Skyblock zip file. So what I'm going to do is just go and drag this onto my desktop like so, and what you want to do is you want to go and right click on it and go and click on extract all and just press extract, and it's now going to go and extract it into a folder and it'll place it on our desktop. As you can see, here it is here. Now what's important is that you need to go and open it up, and when you do that you go into another folder. That is not what you want. As soon as you open the folder, it needs to go straight into the files. So if I go and open up this folder, as you can see it gets straight into it. So this is the actual world folder, so click on it and then drag it onto your desktop. So this is what we're going to need to add into Minecraft, and we'll go and do that now. So what you need to do is go and open up the launcher, just open it up as you usually would, wait for it to load. After it loads, I get this pop up here, I'll close this off. After it loads, you need to come over to the left to make sure Minecraft Java is selected, and then go to the top and click on installations. And what you need to do is go and find the installation you're currently using. I just go and use the latest release. Come over to the right and go and click on the folder icon, and this will open up the file location and it takes you straight to the Minecraft files. So in .minecraft, you need to scroll down and go and locate the saves folder, which is just here, and go and double click on it. You'll see all of your different Minecraft saves and essentially worlds. And then all you need to do is go and drag in the world folder for Skyblock into here. So we just go and move this stuff out of the way, and here it is. As I said, the folder for the world needs to go straight into the files, as it does. So I can click on it and then move it in, just like so. Make sure you drag it into blank space, otherwise it may go and put it into another world folder. And just to show you by what I mean, if I go and click on this world folder, you'll notice it goes straight into everything. So now that you've gone and added it, then you can come back to the launcher and we can go and start Minecraft. So I'll click on play again and press play and wait for the launcher to go and start. It shouldn't take too long, here we are. And then if we go and click on single player, now what we need to do is go and find the world. Now I've got quite a few worlds here, so it's going to take a bit of scrolling. I'm pretty sure you can go and search for it as well though. If you just go and search for Skyblock, it should actually go and appear. I just search Sky and you can select it and click on play selected world. And now we're launching it. And all you need to do is go and wait, and here we are on the Skyblock. So if we go and open this up, we can see what we get. We get a lava bucket and ice, and yeah, that's it. We can then go and get started. Now that we're in the world, you can come back to the browser, and what you can do is you can actually read through sort of the rules here. Obviously you don't have to follow them, but it's the idea, and there's also some challenges here you can go and complete as well. I hope you guys found this useful. If you did, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Have an awesome day.